Digital ads on the classified adverts platform are designed to be highly visible and engaging. One key feature is the showcasing option on the digital ads page, which lets advertisers use GIF images to attract attention. These moving images, though costing a bit more, make the ads more appealing and effective. When someone clicks on an ad, they are taken straight to the advertiser's website for more information. Using hashtags, keywords, and specific categories helps the ads reach the right audience and perform better. Advertisers should also include detailed descriptions of their business in the ads, so potential customers can easily understand what they offer. Overall, classified adverts digital ads provide a powerful way for businesses to showcase their products or services, using eye-catching visuals, direct links, and targeted content to reach and engage more people. So now, let's dive into the tutorial on how to publish digital ads on this platform. First of all, log into your account and open the dashboard, where you will see a lot of options available. Click on Digital Ads from the left menu and then click on Upload. A form will appear like this. You can see that these two options are available for paid members. To explain further, let's switch to a paid membership so that we can access all options. Now, you can see that I have moved to a paid membership, and the form looks like this. First, you need to add a suitable ad title that fits your ad. Next, add the URL where you want to redirect users when they click on the ad. Moving down, you need to select a suitable category for your ad. Another option here is adding hashtags, which will help your ad rank on this platform and assist users in filtering your specific ad. You can also add an animation effect to your ad, which will change the incoming style of your ad. After that, upload a suitable image to represent your ad. Lastly, you can add a custom GIF prefix, which will make your ad more noticeable. You can upload your custom GIF prefix or buy one by clicking here. You will be able to see already stored GIF prefixes at a reasonable price, which you can easily purchase through a simple and easy checkout process. Now, as per my requirements, I have filled out the form, and I am ready to hit the Publish button. Upon clicking Publish, I will be notified that your ad has been published successfully. Now let's move to the front end to show you that how your ad looks like. Go to Digital Page from menu, you will be able to see your ad over here. In some cases, if I am unable to locate my ad over here, I can use these filters over here to locate my ad. For example, in my ad, I had used a hashtag which I will enter over here and search for that. After searching, you can see that my ad is filtered over here. In the same way, you can also use same category as you selected while publishing ad. You can also filter on the basis of company, also on the basis of services, and also by city, which can be set from your profile setting. That's all how digital ads works on this platform. Thanks for watching video.